Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazzy, and today I am going to show you guys how I created this really cute, super fun Powerpuff Girl blossom look. I decided to do little Japanese cherry blossom trees on my face into a little bitty crown, which is the look you can see also on my Instagram. Shameless plug. Follow me. Anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let's just get right on into it. Voiceover style.
Alright, so let's just get. I am first going to take this awesome photo focus powder in the color banana because it matches my skin tone, and put it all over my face to kind of like soak up any facial oils or anything that could cause my makeup to get really cakey and flaky. Next, I'm going to take the purple concealer that I have from e.l.f. I love e.l.f. You got concealer, and I'm going to put it under my eyes, on my upper lip, and on my nose and on my eyebrows because I'm going to change the color of my eyebrows from black to red to match my hair, so I want to lighten them up as much as possible before I actually get to doing that. Now I'm just going to blend all that out, adding some powder so I can set underneath my eyes. Alright, so now we're going to do the eyebrows, and we're just going to take a dark red eyeshadow. I wet the brush with some setting spray before I did this, and then I'm going to add some concealer to clean it up a little bit because no one likes an eyebrow that's all over the place. Now I'm going to put some concealer on my eyes just to prime them out a little bit, and I'm going to set that with some powder. Now I'm going to take this really pretty pink color, and I am just going to put that in the crease and a little bit above the crease. We're going to do like really cute like pink and red eyes. So yep, I'm going to take another pink color, a lighter pink, and then I'm going to drag that from the where we left the crease at to the inner corner and on the side of my nose. Then I'm going to take some concealer, and I am going to put that on just the lid part of my eye so we can put some lighter pink on there. We're going to take two lighter pinks that look really cute, and we are going to put those all over the lid of my eye. Looking fabulous. Petting that on there, caking it on. I like to cake on lighter colors on my eyes. I just do. It's my thing. Alright, so be sure to make sure that that eyeshadow is blended underneath. We're going to take this white face paint crayon from Wet n Wild, and we're going to do my eyes. And then we're going to take some bronzer and some red eyeshadow, and we are going to contour my cheeks a little bit. And then blend that out. Alright, I'm going to take pink blush just to kind of blend it out some more with some pink blush. Alright, and we're going to take this really awesome highlighter. It's a little bit of pinky undertones to it. And we're just going to highlight my face all over. I know I look kind of crazy, but don't worry, we're going to put face paint on it and then it'll look cute. We're going to set that whole face with some e.l.f. setting spray. Set that face, girl. Yes, now it is face paint time, girls. It is face paint time. We're going to take this dark orangey brown color, and we mixed it with some black, and we are going to start making our branches for our cherry blossom tree. The branches don't need to be perfect. In all honesty, in my opinion, it'll look good no matter what you do. Just kind of have like connecting to each other. I like the way that looks. Little branches coming off of it, just like that. Bring it all the way up to the top so you can make it look like a crown. Make sure that you have it flicked up towards your hairline, the branches, more like a crown. We're going to come back in with a lighter brown to kind of give it some more definition so that the branches aren't just one note. And then we're going to bring in that white to give it kind of a highlight. I love the way this white just gave these branches just way more definition. So even from far away, you could see what was going on with my face. So that was super awesome. And then we're going to take this pink color and we're going to mix it with some white and some darker pink, and we are going to start making our beautiful little cherry blossom flowers. I've seen people do this many different ways. I kind of just did little kind of tiny dabs over my face, nothing too fancy. Just like this, and it kind of came out as cute little flowers. And then I got a tinier brush and I went in with some lighter pink and some white, a little bit more definition. Alright, now we did these cute little hearts like our symbol. We have to do the little head. So I decided to do, I know they kind of look like some like sauce cheeks, but I think that they came out really cute and they kind of got the point across on what I was trying to do. I just wanted it to be super fun, super creative. So now we have our cute little hearts. I love them. And now our face complete. My camera did die, so I had to do my lashes and my lipstick off camera. I apologize. But for the lipstick, you can use any dark lipstick, and for the lashes, it's honestly, guys, I just wanted some basic wispy lashes, nothing too fancy. Now, without her bow, you guys, oh my gosh. So I got this cute little red bow off of, and it's absolutely perfect. It completely just completed the look, and I think it came out pretty fabulously. I hope you guys liked it. It's so much fun. Oh my god. You guys should tell me in the comments who your favorite Powerpuff Girl is. I love Buttercup because she was feisty.
Hi babes! So, Sunshine Squad, you just saw me turn my face into blossom with my cherry blossom. If you like this video, please leave a like down there. Comment your favorite Powerpuff Girl, and don't forget to subscribe and share if you liked it. I sound like it. Anyway, I love